Oh, that is so out of order.
Hold that.
I feel so hard.
Hold that. I don't know what to do.
Put it on the ground.
You'll cut your glove.
Hold on. For one, right or left?
Edit.
Oh, it's just gonna bite you. It's gonna bite you.
Got it.
This is Bear Grylls here. Oh, his feet.
You see it's shit.
I don't know how you're doing this. Oh, yeah, what are you doing? You're staring at it?
You will like grab that.
Oh, his feet.
Oh no, the feet are actually stuck together.
What?
His feet are just clawed together.
Yeah, hold on.
Is it barbed?
What?
Is it barbed? Oh, look at his face. What have we done?
It's not gonna die. Right, if a bailiff comes over, I think we're gonna get arrested.
Oh no, what the?
Soften it.
Go the glove.
Let go of the glove. Oh! Oh.